You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. More of the French way of pronouncing it is saying it as Charlene, Charlene. Now, in English it is sometimes said also as Charlene. So Charlene, more of in a English way, or Charlene, because CH in French is like SH, sh. Charlene or Charlene. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments to share with everybody. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.